Now to diagnose the moisture board on your dryer is a little bit tricky. Basically because it's a circuit board with individual components that you're not able to buy separately. You'd need your wiring diagram to tell you which pieces go where, and you would be able to test from this spot as to whether you have a circuit path on your dryer. Now there is a chip on the board itself that you're not able to diagnose. So it's very difficult to actually confirm that this component is bad or not. What you can do is if you're having a problem with the moisture board, which will show itself by, in the automatic setting, the timer does not advance, you'll want to take a look and just check the moisture bars that are down inside the drum that supply information to this board. If those sensors plates, those sensor wires are good, and your timer's not advancing, very good chance it's your moisture board. So unfortunately, there's no quick, easy way to just connect it up and say, yep, that's the problem. It's one of those things you sort of have to diagnose the other components around it.